Close to violet on a Sunday, nearly made it into bloom. But I know, oh, the ordinary Monday turning back to blue. Long for what's to come, keep forgetting how to make it known before it's already gone.
Full of post-its in the ceiling of things I'd like to follow through, but I hold on. A visionary sunlight shows an empty room.
Long for what's to come, keep forgetting how to make it known before it's already gone. Looking back too soon is how you know. Did the moment even make it past the room? To come, keep forgetting how to make it known before it's already gone. Looking back too soon is how you know. Did the moment even make it past the room?